What is Trae AI? Well, today you are going to find out. You've clicked on the right video. I'm going to go through all the details and answer a couple more questions. So without further ado, let's dive in. So with so many AI code assistants available, what makes Trae AI so different, and what is it in actual fact? So it was launched in 2005 by ByteDance, and ByteDance actually is also the producer or the umbrella company for CapCut as well as TikTok. It actually has the ability to revolutionize coding workflows. The intelligent IDE analyzes entire code bases to deliver contextual support. It combines code generation with real-time assistance to streamline development. You can see over here, it offers a builder mode, so you can break down complex projects. It converts large projects into more manageable tasks. And that is a fantastic feature for me because I love to break down big things into smaller sections and take on one at a time. It can also generate complete code, including all the necessary files from natural language, which means you don't actually need to have any coding knowledge or experience to be using Trae AI. It also shows clear previews while maintaining developer control. It also has conversational programming, so you can ask questions, you can also request code snippets, you can fix errors, resolving any issues throughout your conversation, and you can have your repositories explained. So if they are complex, it's quick and easy to understand them. The other thing is it has intelligent code completion, so it's content aware. It offers suggestions while you are coding or while you are producing, reducing time writing boilerplate codes with smart suggestions, and it's based on your code base. This is all done in real time. This extends your code instantly with relevant completions that actually match your coding patterns. And it does offer also a workspace analysis. It understands your entire environment, including your files, your folders, and even terminal interactions. You can see over here, it has the multi-module development. So it does image processing. It also does design interpretation. It does code generation and error analysis. And this is great because it's an all-in-one tool. It also integrates debugging and testing, so you get faster issue resolution, and it has a 100% tool integration capabilities, which means there's no need to switch between environments, tools, everything is in one space. This, of course, will save you time and it'll make your life a whole lot easier. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, Trae AI in a nutshell. Today, we can't go through all of its features. However, it is a good idea to go ahead and explore them on your own. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.